See, when the voodoo people is in your head and you can't really think because they screaming at you so hard, the best thing to do is do this. This is for the next people that they try to set up a curse on and try to murder them. You know, they can easily escape the voice of them and escape a lot of restless days by making them go through emotional problems by tormenting them with this voice right here. Because it's always a way out of something. You know what I'm saying? It's always a way out of not necessary trouble, but people just trying to hunt you and torment you to put you on film and put you on a black page or the dark web.